Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Go Native Farms. And today we're going to be taking a look at just how big these squash got in the South Garden using chicken manure. We used a lot of raw chicken manure out here, and they got really big. So, what was my secret besides the chicken manure? Well, I also used a little bit of fish emulsion. And if you want to know which brand I use out here, it is the Neptune's Harvest Fish. And if you look in the descriptions below, I'll show you where you can get a 5% discount on this. And this is a fish emulsion that I like, and I've used it over the years. I've used it when I grew giant pumpkins, and it helps out really good in your garden as well for putting on a little extra size on your squash. So as you can see, these are pretty big, and I'm just going to walk around and I'm going to show you guys exactly how big these are and how many we got, and then we're going to do a total weight of this garden of all of the squash. So there was only 6 plants in total, and we have over 20 squash here, and we'll walk around and show you that. And I'm just going to come there and I'm going to grab the camera, and then we're going to do an overview, and we'll these giant squash. Okay, so this is one of the biggest ones here. It's quite a large squash. Then there was only one other that got that big here, and that's this one right here. I'm not sure which one's heavier. These are both over 30 inches. That one over there, when I measured the outside from the tip to the tip, was over 40 inches. And we did get squash everywhere. There's quite a few. You can see they did really well. And basically what I did was till in a lot of chicken manure here, and then I planted. And if you look at the very end of this video, at the end screen, there will be another video attached. It'll show you the exact process I used for getting a garden to produce really big squash. And it was a pretty simple process, and you can see they're everywhere. And we'll kind of, this is another one that got pretty big also. That one was right about 30 inches, give or take. Quite a big one. And they're everywhere. I did throw I threw in one pepper into this garden as well. And the pepper is over here. That one did pretty well. There's some onions in there. And then we actually had a couple of melons in here as well that did okay. And there they are. Lots of squash. They're really big. And after we're done with this video, I'm going to go over there and I'm going to weigh them all up, and then we'll let you know what the total amount of weight is in this garden alone. And then we'll go to the North Squash Garden next, and I'll show you just how big those got. That garden was really awesome and had some monsters in there also. All right, so these are the squash that we pulled off of our south garden, and there are 21 in total, and they got pretty big. And I weighed all of these, and the combined weight of all of these squash, the 21, was 333 pounds approximately. So that's a pretty decent load of squash off of only 6 plants. Now, I think you could actually get more than that by doing a couple simple tricks, and one of the tricks would be to take the seeds from these 3 big ones right here, and if you were to grow those out, then you would most likely end up having squash that are all big, or more of them would be big and less of them would be small. Now, if you were really on top of it and you started to blend your manure into the soil now, and you used a couple types of manure like chicken manure and some other manure like a sheep or an alpaca or even a horse, if you were to mix that in now, then by next year a lot of that would be broken down. And you could also add a little more chicken manure right before you planted, maybe a month before, and till that in. And in addition to that, the other thing you could do, you could add a little more um, liquid fertilizer like that fish emulsion that I showed you earlier from Neptune's Harvest Fish. So thank you guys for tuning in. These seeds will likely be available at the Native Seed Search. I will put that link below as well. Now they do give first option to the Native Americans because these are a Navajo Banana Hubbard squash. And if there are excessive amount of seeds, then they will be available to the public. And if there's not an excessive amount, then they might only be available to the Navajo people. So once again, thank you guys very much for tuning in. Please do like, subscribe, and share, and have a great rest of the day. All right, so I wanted to show you guys another view of what these giant squash look like. We've got most of them loaded up and ready to go into cold storage. So we did get over 1,000 pounds this year of squash. And if you like my videos and you find them helpful, please do like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the garden.